Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best coping saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Irwin Tools Coping Saw. Many coping saws come with wooden handles, but this model from Irwin Tools has an ergonomic grippy handle to ensure it never slips from your hand. It's also crafted from high-speed steel, which is considered to be versatile and able to stay sharp with proper use. It has a 17-point tooth count, but the blade can be switched out if needed. Buyers have been impressed with how smoothly it slices through materials and have praised its durability. "I've been a carpenter for 25 years, wrote one reviewer. After buying several coping saws, and breaking every single one of them within a year or two, I gave this one a shot. I've used this saw without replacement for over 7 years. This saw has not failed once." Moving on at number 4, we have the Olsen Coping Saw. Like most other coping saws, the pins on this Olsen Coping Saw allow users to tighten and control the tension of the blade, but you also have the ability to swap them out for more tactile nuts and washers to make it even simpler. Buyers have used this particular saw for everything from slicing crown molding to trimming guitar headstocks. "This is the third Olsen Coping Saw I've purchased. None have broken," wrote one reviewer, who's been in woodworking since the mid-70s. "You can spend a lot more on a coping saw if you want, but the Olsen works great if you take the time to find the right blade and tension the saw correctly." At number 3, we have the Eclipse Coping Saw. Slicing flawlessly through wood and other trim materials, Eclipse's coping saw is a fan favorite because of its rigid frame, extra sharp blade, and how simple it is to adjust the tension. While many reviewers have heavily relied on it for trim work, it's also great for building desks and tables and holds up for years. "This thing draws the blade tight, turns like a dream, and is just a pleasure to work with," explained one owner. "I use it for plenty of jobs that I'd otherwise pull a gents or dovetail saw out for." At number 2, we have the BAHCO Coping Saw. Many reviewers have raved about the strength and durability of the BAHCO Coping Saw's carbon steel blade, which is also coated with nickel to fight against corrosion and wear. Especially helpful when working outside or in damp conditions. One buyer wrote, "This is a very solid coping saw, which is nice if you like a lot of tension on your blade or if you ever lean in a little too much into your cuts in thicker trim. The handle screws in tightly and is comfortable to hold." They also noted, along with a few other reviewers, that its slightly steeper price tag is well worth it. And finally at number 1, we have the Irwin Tool Saw Blades. If you already have a coping saw and are in the market for blades, you can't go wrong with these budget-friendly blades from Irwin Tools. The 3 17-point tooth blades included are 6.5 inches long and are made specifically for Irwin Tools ProTouch saw, though some buyers noted they work just fine in other brands' frames, too. One reviewer described that the pinned blades don't slip out of the clamps, and with 3 you are good to go on your next project. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.